It's 7:30, I've got my penny and I'm off to work. And tea with the lady? Did you say tea or coffee? It's not a good start.
We don't prick the sausages.
Okay.
Because they're a low fat content, you want all the moisture to stay inside.
Okay. So
we
put that on medium?
On a medium heat.
Medium heat.
The best result is to cook them a long time on a low heat.
That one's cooked.
That's ready to eat.
That's ready to eat, so we can take it. That's the one, this is the tail of
Put the sausages in the bag and then... You've got some customers, acknowledge the customers when they walk
Hi
up.
there. That's rather special. Thank you. Thanks very much.
Normally give the customers a change, put it in their hand.
Okay.
It's a bit polite, you know, slinging it on. You say keep the change, did you say? No, not today. How many sausages have we got there? It's giving all my profits away here, look. Did you ask for 4, man? Yeah. She put 6 and she's giving you 5.
I was giving you 5, yeah. Well, I've had enough of the sausages for a while. I'm going to skive off and have a look at what else is on offer.
Oh, man, you're pretty.
Let's ask the boss, how did I do?
Actually, you've done very well. I was very pleased with the way that you communicated with the customers, you made the sales, you got people buying them, and that's what it's all about. Actually, I was going to ask you whether you would consider, with the space in this business, for you to come and give up your weather forecast and then come and work with us.
Sausages, weather. Weather, sausages. Sausages, weather. Weather, sausages. Sausages, weather. Weather, sausages. Oh, sausages, weather. Sausages, weather. Weather, sausages. Sausages, weather. Weather, sausages.